Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and this is Kike, and she is very, very excited to tell you all about her favorite cat food.
Kike and I both are pretty obsessed with I and Lovin' You because they make such amazing cat food. This is their XOXOs canned wet cat food. We have it here in the beef and then chicken and tuna variety, which Kike is absolutely obsessed with those flavors. In fact, she was going through a little phase recently where she wasn't super interested in another flavor of food that she was eating. And this got her excited again about eating her wet food. So we supplement her dry food every day with a can of wet. For her size, that works really well. So I give her half a can in the morning, half a can at night. So this is what the half can looks like. Of course, you can check with your vet depending on your cat's size and needs and figure out how much works for them. And I just really, really love that the ingredients are so simple. I don't have to worry about any gross fillers going into this food. It's grain-free, it's real meat, which I love as a pet parent, and Kike loves because she is obsessed with this food. She never lets me miss breakfast or dinner time. Right on the dot, she is reminding me. I love that it has gravy along with it, so she's really obsessed with the gravy, but then also, of course, the actual pate is a great consistency. It helps her slow down a little bit so she can really savor her food and not gulp it down too fast. All in all, I just think we both are so happy with this cat food.
If you, she thinks it's dinner time now. If you are looking for a great quality cat food to feed your fur baby, we highly recommend checking out I and Loving You. We're so happy with the quality, and the good ingredients really give me peace of mind as a pet parent, and Kike absolutely loves them. That's just our point of view.